Hi, today I'm going to show you how to edit a pre-existing video, which means all we're going to do is just do a top and tail and maybe edit out the middle, and how to export it using Camtasia 9. So I'm in the Camtasia studio. Now how I would get there is by clicking on the icon down the bottom of my menu of my computer, and that brings that up. Okay, so if I need to bring in an existing video, maybe a Zoom session of course, what you can do is you can go File, Import Media, find where your media would be, and press Open and import from there. You can also just drag your media into the media bin. So here I have my pre-existing video, and what I want to do is just to top and tail and then send off to be exported as an MP4. So in the timeline here, there's two ways to put media in the timeline. Either click on it and drag it in and position it at the beginning, or I can right click, add to timeline. Okay, this indicator here is our edit indicator as such. You can play ahead, you can play your video forward. We have a green and a red button. So if I want to edit out this section of my presentation, I would find where I want my edit to begin, or where I want the video to begin. And with the green button, I drag it by holding my mouse down to the very beginning of my recording. And the red button is where the edit is to finish. So that is where my video will start. So that in that section there, that's what I want to be edited out. I can check that by pressing play, and it will only play that section. So after I've selected what I want to edit out, I go to here, which is the scissors, and I press cut. Okay, now if I want to go to the end of the presentation, and it is a long presentation, press the negative sign to reduce the image on the timeline. Find your spot again at the end. With the red button, drag it to the end of the presentation and press cut. And that is now our presentation edited and ready to export. Now in the Camtasia 9, you would go to Share, Local File. To a drop down, you can have MP4 up to 1080p, 720p. You can go down to 480, but it's not a good quality. So if it's just a straight out presentation, not many graphics, not moving video for everybody's presentation, do the 720. The 180 is more of a high quality, being able to show high images. So press that. Find where you want to keep your presentation on your desktop, etc. And name. And all you have to do is unclick all these. So press finish and the video will be rendered.